if you were J-Lo's pool boy, how much would you charge, or pool man?
Nothing. I get to see J-Lo and clean her pool. And it's told when shit don't work, the pool man is always the one to get it. So I'm play my position. And you know she in high rotation. So
you know
eventually she's gonna be she's gonna want to drift again. I mean, let's look at the past.
Right. You know,
If my woman leave me for the pool man, I picked the wrong chick. That's just bad business. This
There
point
you
in
go,
her life
bad
doing.
business.
Bad business. You leaving me doing inflation for a nigga that's putting chlorine in water? Oh, nigga.